Hi, I'm Jess from Goddington Guides. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Scottish shortbread. This is a really quick and simple recipe to make, as you only need 3 ingredients. You will need 175 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of butter at room temperature. The butter will need to be cut into cubes like mine so that it's easy to crumble. You will also need 50 grams of caster sugar plus a little extra for dusting. You will also need a fork and a round baking dish like this. If you don't have one of these, you can use a normal baking tray and just shape it into a circle. And also a big mixing bowl. Before we get started, make sure you've washed your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. Next, you need to preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Make sure you get an adult to help you while you do this, as you are using a hot oven. Okay, so take your large mixing bowl and your flour and put the flour into the mixing bowl. And your butter and your sugar. Now it's time to get your hands dirty, and you need to put your hands in and crumble the mixture, squeezing the butter in between your fingers to make a crumbly texture. Make sure you get rid of all big clumps and it's nice and smooth. Okay, so I'm now done and your mixture should be looking something like this. Now take your round baking tin or your baking sheet and pour the mixture into it, and there's no need to grease it before. Now use your hands to distribute the mixture around the tin and press down. Okay, so using your finger, you can just press down at the edge to decorate it. Now take your fork and just gently prick the middle of it. Now you need to put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you get an adult to help you while you're using the oven, as it will be hot. My shortbread has been in the oven for about 25 minutes now, and it's a nice pale golden colour. I'm just going to take some extra sugar and lightly sprinkle that over the top. Now take a sharp knife, make sure to be careful with this and maybe get an adult to do this, or at least have adult supervision, and just score the top of the shortbread into 8 triangles. Careful because the dish will be hot. Once you've done that, you can let that cool and cut it all the way through and serve. Now that's how you make Scottish shortbread. I hope you enjoyed.